Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete all your favorite videos on YouTube in one go. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments. So let's you and me get started with this topic. Open YouTube on your phone and then go to your page. At the top, click on the gear, after which select your YouTube credentials. Wait for it to load. Next, scroll down and click on this one option. Go to Interaction. Next, Favorite videos and dislikes. And here you'll be able to see absolutely all the videos that you've liked, that you've put your likes on. And here, in order to, let's say, remove them, you're gonna have to click on this cross next to the date. So you'll remove all the videos for a certain date at once, as you can see. And you can do that until you've removed absolutely all of the videos that you have here. This is the way to do it, friends. You will be able to delete all your favorite YouTube videos in one go. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. Bye-bye.